How to fix share my location not working on your iPhone? And if share location not working in your iPhone, the first workaround is tap on settings and here scroll down and go to privacy and security section. Tap on location service and make sure that location services is turned on. If not, simply turn on location services and go back and again on the same home page of settings. Look for find my phone, tap on find my, and here make sure that find my iPhone and share my location is turned on, and also find my networks and last location and find my iPhone all should be turned on. Thereafter go back and on the settings page tap on settings and here look for screen time and scroll down content and privacy restrictions and make sure that content and privacy restrictions is turned off. If you found is turned on, then turn off content restrictions. Thereafter enable airplane mode, flight mode and wait for some times, and after some times turned off flight mode, and your share my location not working